In this video, I will show you how to put the washer on the fault code display mode. Well, first I need to show you how to put the washer on the service diagnostic test mode. Put the cycle selector knob in this position. You need to do what I'm going to show you next within 6 seconds. If it takes you more than 6 seconds, it may not work, and you will need to repeat the procedure until you get it right. Let me show you what happens when you do it too slow. Turn the cycle selector knob this way. 1 click to the left, 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, and 1 click to the right. None of these green LEDs will light on and off, and you will need to repeat the procedure again, okay? And this is what happens when you do it within 6 seconds. Turn the cycle selector knob like this. 1 click to the left, 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, and 1 click to the right. If all these green LED lights blink on and off, the washer is on the service diagnostic mode. Do the following to put the washer on the fault code display mode. Turn the cycle selector knob 1 click to the right. The dawn light should be turned on. Press the start button to start the fault code display mode. All the green LED lights should be flashing on and off. Now the washer is on the fault code display mode. Take a sheet of printer paper and make something similar to this. Maybe you could take a picture with your cell phone and print it in your printer. Turn the cycle selector knob 1 click to the right to see the first fault code. Next, I'm going to freeze the frame to explain to you how to read the faults. When this light is on, you're reading the F numbers. The number for this light when it's on is 8. The number for this light when it's on is 4. The number for this light when it's on is 2. And the number for this light when it's on is 1. When this light is off, you're reading the E numbers. The number for this light when it's on is 8. The number for this light when it's on is 4. The number for this light when it's on is 2. And the number for this light when it's on is 1. That is the way that you read each one of the faults. With a paper like this on hand, let's start marking the faults. We're going to start with the F fault. The rinse light is 4, so you mark it down. The spin light is 2, so you mark it down. The dawn light is 1, so you mark it down. When you add all the numbers, it totals 7. So the F number is F7. Now you need to mark the E numbers. The rinse light is 4, so you mark it down. The dawn light is 1, so you mark it down. So the total for E is 5. So the first fault is F7E5. Turn the cycle selector knob 1 click to the right to get to the next fault. If only this light on and off, there is no fault. Go to the next one. Turn the cycle selector knob 1 click to the right to get to the next fault. If only this light on and off, there is no fault. Go to the next one. Turn the cycle selector knob 1 click to the right to get to the next fault. If only this light on and off, there is no fault. And you're done checking the 4 faults. Turn the cycle selector knob 1 click to the right, and if all the green LED lights are flashing on and off, push on the start button and hold it for about 3 seconds until all the green LED lights are off, and that will clear all the fault codes. Next, I will show you how to read the code. Next, I will show you how to find out what the code means. For that you will need the repair manual. The repair manual should be behind this front panel on the inside. The easier way to get to it is by leaning the washer against the wall. Just make sure the washer is not going to fall down. And get on the floor and reach for it, and you should be able to get it out. Okay? Open the repair manual on page 6 and 7. There is where you can find all the fault codes. In my washer, the fault code was F7E5, which is a shifter fault. A bad shifter is a common problem with these washers. I just replaced the shifter and the washer is working properly again. This is the end of the video. I hope it helped you fix your washer. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel to be notified every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.